Good morning everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're at another castle that we have done before. It's Caldicot Castle, but like last time, this time I'm here to film it properly. So here's the car park. There is a closer car park as well, but it's for disabled only, I believe. And whilst I remember, I'll stick the map on now of where we are. So we just got to walk up there, and I've just been informed there is an actual closer castle car park, which is the real castle car park. There's a park just over by there, which I hopefully will show you a glimpse of. Plenty of grounds to walk around as well. It really is a beautiful place. So now it's a matter of going and collecting the family from the park and going through that entrance and showing you inside. And there's the park right next to the car park that I've just showed you on the drone. So it turns out this is the proper castle car park. Turns out I've been parked in the gardens car park both times I came here. And there is a sign for an overflow car park down that way, but I've never seen it or been there. Very grand entrance. And this castle is free of charge, believe it or not. And here's the most important stop, a coffee before we explore. I know nobody wants to explore a castle in the rain, but they have got a big shelter here for you to sit under when it's either sunny or you just want a coffee in the shelter. There are toilets and baby changing facilities here too, and they're just through that door by there next to the cafe. A lovely rose garden here. Nice view of it up by here. It's a lovely little castle and there's plenty to explore actually. At the moment they've got a lovely little bee nest inside that hole by there. I don't know if you can see them all flying around. So coming down these steps by here, let's take a look what's in here. And now we're going up. And we're up top.
Stage.
Oh, go on then.
I think
Go on then, do an act then.
Wait, I think that's where they go to change. Because
Sing the House of Holding. That's a castle song for Queens. By Henry VIII.
I don't know how to sing it. No, I think this is meant to be the show. I think they're meant to be chanting.
You get a sense of the grounds from up here. It's the Severn Bridge just in the background there.
Welcome, Evie!
Little bumblebee, I know what you want from me. Doo-ba-doo-ba-doo-da-da, doo-ba-doo-da-da. Sweet little bumblebee, more than just a fantasy. Doo-ba-doo-ba-doo-da-da, doo-ba-doo-da-da.
Sadly, it looks like this tower is closed. There's some kind of gate down by here, but it is locked. Some old steps by there which would have been up to the battlements. Anyone for a game of chess? And there's that rear gate that we walked past earlier. It's a very unique bike rack. So that was Caldicot Castle. What did you think to that one? Let me know down below like always. A free castle. Can you believe that? I've been in much worse paid castles than this one. Absolutely brilliant. So please like, comment and subscribe, and we see you guys on the next one.
Like, comment and subscribe. See you on the next one.
Bye bye for now.